Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo, and we are going on a date. Finally, the time has come. You have been in Thailand for a while, and you somehow met someone special, right? So, as you can see, we are at the coffee house somewhere, right? As you can see, this is real. Yeah, this is real right there. This is real, man. Yeah, don't laugh. What are you laughing at? Not laugh. Is that because I'm wearing a black shirt? I look okay? There's something in my teeth? Well, anyway, you're going on a date, right? Before your dates arrive, I'm just sneaking in to teach you all the phrases you can use to get a day going, okay? It's gonna be a daytime date. I ain't gonna stay too long though because I wanna teach you all the sentences and you can use right away. Now let's start with first sentence. Where are we going today? Yeah. That's a good question, right? เราจะไปเที่ยวไหนวันนี้ เราจะไปเที่ยวไหนวันนี้ เรา means we จะไป where we going เที่ยวไหนวันนี้ where we going today where we going today okay you have no idea you don't know where you're going because you're just a tourist right or playing a tourist or whatever you want to do เราจะไปเที่ยวไหนวันนี้ alright and somehow they show you this they tell you oh let's go here and you're like you have no idea what the hell is that thing right you say where is this you act like you're like interested or you're just really interested I always act like I'm interested where is this นี่คือที่ไหนนี่คือที่ไหนyou looking at it and go wow นี่คือที่ไหน okay at first you kind of like yeah I'll go along and then you read up on it and you go well that's not bad I want to go there so you say it's very interesting มันเป็นอะไรที่น่าสนใจมันเป็นอะไรที่น่าสนใจมันเป็นอะไรที่น่าสนใจit's very interesting you can say that to a lot of things too if if they show you something or said something and you have no idea what they're saying okay you just go it's very interesting มันเป็นอะไรที่น่าสนใจ I use that all the time I have no idea what they're saying I just block them out in my head it was like running like singing Scooby-Doo right? มันเป็นอะไรที่น่าสนใจ it's very interesting use that okay now next and you're looking around you go oh yeah there's no rain and you try to come up with some kind of conversation and this is the first date right it's small talk all right so today the weather is very good วันนี้อากาศดีมากวันนี้อากาศดีมาก the weather is very good วันนี้อากาศดีมาก all right small talk all right follow with this sentence you say where are we going first where are we going first it's like yeah that's gonna be a second place but I just want to know where we're going first I don't really care but I just want to get through today but where are we going first okay เราจะไปที่ไหนก่อน don't forget it's a day trip it's gonna take the whole day spent together right and who knows maybe part 2 will be like like nightclub or a bar or a restaurant or whatever I'll make it for you but right now it's day trip all right so where are we going first เราจะไปที่ไหนก่อน which means where are we going first and you're kind of curious and you go you just want to know are there any interesting shops there มีร้านขายของที่น่าสนใจไหม it's a long phrase you want to impress them right you're gonna have to learn Thai okay because if you say it in English even no matter how slow you're saying it they ain't gonna understand it like for instance like water If you say water, they ain't gonna know. They're gonna be like, what the hell this guy, man? Water. No, right? So, in Thai, I was like, sidetrack, man. Come on. You made me like, God, jeez. All right. Are there any interesting shops there? มีร้านขายของที่น่าสนใจไหม? Take it slow. They ain't gonna be here for another 5 hours, so you have some time. Okay, get some coffee and just practice this sentence, right? มีร้านขายของที่น่าสนใจไหม? If you can't roll the R with your tongue, like ร้านขายของ, right? You just go ร้านขายของ with an L. มีร้านขายของที่น่าสนใจไหม? Okay, I'll take it really slow. มีร้านขายของที่น่าสนใจไหม? Okay, now next, you have this great idea that you're somehow a 40-year-old man and you don't know how to ride a bike. So you go, we're gonna go ride bicycles. We're gonna go ride bicycles, all right? So you're 40 and you don't know how to ride a bike, but you want to impress them. New learned skills, right? You just picked up on YouTube like a night before. เราจะไปขี่จักรยาน เราจะไปขี่จักรยาน Showing off your skills, man. Oh God. Okay, we're gonna go ride bicycles. เราจะ What kind of date is this, dude? Oh shit. Okay, all right. Okay, serious, man. Serious. เราจะไปขี่จักรยาน I want to show off my skills that I learned last night. เรา All right, next. You know what? You change your mind and you go, I need to go rent a car. It's safer that way. ฉันต้องการเช่ารถ ฉันต้องการเช่ารถ If you can't say the R, รถ you just say รถ with an L. ฉันต้องการเช่ารถ Just get this out of the way. If you can't roll the tongue for a certain word, because they use a lot of R in there, just replace them all with L. All right, very easy. Okay, all right. ฉันต้องการเช่ารถ Okay, I need to rent a car. You're like, oh crap, you saw the traffic is really bad. And you're like, oh, you know what? I want to change my mind. It's kind of dangerous. I want to go back home. I don't want to be like dead over here. Okay, people drive like crap over here in Thailand. So you don't want to drive there. My suggestion, try not to rent a car in Thailand. It's dangerous, okay? It's not you. You know how to drive, but other people don't. They don't care. They don't know how to drive. They drive with their eyes closed and they're like eating like top ramen or something. You're changing your mind and you go, oh crap, I don't want to drive there. It's crazy. We should take a bus. You're gonna really impress your date there. We're gonna take a bus. Yeah, that's a good idea, right? How to say, we're gonna take a bus in Thai. เราจะเดินทางด้วยรถบัส 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 Why you want to take a bus? Sometimes you want to go to Pattaya, you want to go Hua Hin or whatever, the beach city, right? It's like 2 to 3 hours away from Bangkok. But don't forget though, when you take a bus, here's another tip that I'm going to tell you. Look for the bus that like goes straight there, not like stop along the way. It's going to take like 8 hours to get there. Pay a little bit more. Get the air conditioning bus. Don't get all cheap. Get all like VIP and just get there with air conditioning, big windows, travel in style, you know? It probably costs you like $10 more. I don't know. I don't ever take those buses, but you should check it out. Not just like go and just grab any bus, because you're gonna have a hell of a time getting there. Next one, when you go to the bus station, you might have to ask them, how long would it take to get there? The cheaper one and a more expensive one. The cheaper one is gonna take longer, take like 8 hours. The more expensive one is gonna take like 2 hours. Some of them, if you go like Chiang Mai or Chiang Rai or whatever, it might even take overnight, like a night bus. You know, they might even stop along the way, and you can get food at the restaurant. That's pretty cool. You know, that's kind of fun. You should do that, right? Anyway, how to say how long would it take? ต้องใช้เวลาเท่าไหร่ ต้องใช้เวลาเท่าไหร่ How long would it take? And you're getting kind of hungry because, you know, they're kind of late. And you're like, oh, crap, you know, now I'm like starving. Okay? So, the good idea to ask if they want to go to a restaurant. We need to find a restaurant before our trip because I'm getting hungry now. I always eat. I eat like 10 meals a day. All right? We need to find a restaurant. How do you say we need to find a restaurant in Thai? All right. You say เราต้องการหาร้านอาหารเราต้องการหาร้านอาหาร Remember what I'm telling you about the R, the rolling of the tongue? You don't have to do that. You can just go เราต้องการหาร้านอาหาร I can tell you right now, 99.9% of Thai people don't roll the tongue. I don't really understand why you want to learn a proper, I understand you want to learn a proper wording, but 99.9% of people don't use like เราต้องการหาร้านอาหาร or whatever. We don't talk like เราสำรวจตำรวจ whatever. It sounds dumb. Okay? I don't do it. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Maybe some people might, but yeah, whatever. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to talk like a local. Okay? I'm not going to teach you how to talk like from a textbook or look like an amateur. All right, next. เราต้องการหาร้านอาหาร That's pretty easy sentence. You might have to practice a little bit. Some's longer sentence than others that I taught you guys before, but and you want to impress them, let them know that you are absorbing in the culture, right? You know, so yeah, learn these phrases, learn these sentences because you can use them a lot. It doesn't even have to be a date. It can be anything. It can be just like a friendly conversation with someone next to you at the coffee house. I use it all the time. I just sit there, I look at them and say, hey, you know what? How did you get here? Have you you know the information about this place right there? You know, can you tell me about this place? Have you ever been there before? What do you like? What do you like about it? Unless you're like one of those people that like, you know, like all shy and stuff, and you're like afraid to like make friends, then it's kind of weird. They might not want to talk to you if they don't know how to speak English, but somehow that's why I'm teaching you how to speak Thai, so you can communicate with them. I mean, whoa, mind blown, he can speak Thai and she can speak Thai or whatever. Don't be all shy. Don't be all like, are they going to talk to me? Or I'm all acting like a weirdo in a corner, you know, with a drink in your hand, right? No, you don't want to do that. I'm here to help you. So yeah, practice this sentence or words or whatever I'm teaching you. I'm going to put up the link for other videos that you haven't seen yet at the end of this video because they are awesome. And if you miss out, you're going to totally miss out. It's very important. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and this right here is Bodo Thai, and I will see you soon. Peace.